What up, gang? Boo 607, and welcome back to the channel. So this is part 3 of installing all the Maxton pieces. Today we're gonna be installing the rear. They're like little splitters that go on the back bumper. If you have not watched the install of the front lip or the side skirts, check those out. This is gonna be part 3 and the last part of these lips. So here we go. All right, guys, so these are the side pieces I'm telling you about. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down here and measure them, make sure that it's the proper piece to go into this vehicle. Looks pretty good. Only thing I would say is there's factory bolts down here that I'm gonna have to take out. There's 3 of them, 3 bolts. And the reason I'm gonna have to take those out is because it interferes with this install. So there's a gap, there's a little gap right here because of the bolts. So let's take those out now. Right, with my ratchet and the 10 millimeter, I'm gonna take 3 bolts out. 1, 2, and 3. All right, with those 3 bolts out, I'm gonna set it up again, and now it's flush. So all we gotta do is take this plastic off now, the protective plastic, so that it doesn't get scratched while you do the install. But I already know where it's gonna go, so let's just do it. So we're doing the same thing that we did with the front pieces. That is just using some screws. I'm not doing this with these guys again because it was a hassle the last time. You're gonna line this up nice and perfect and screw it. So slow. Trial and error is because it doesn't stay up. If I had double-sided tape, it would be a lot easier. But I'm doing this freehand, so I'm gonna do it like this. Front. All right, guys, so that's installed. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty nice. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side, and we are done.